Hello, today we are going to learn how to declare a pointer and how to declare pointer to pointer. So for that I will write one simple program to declare a pointer. I will declare first a variable and I'll store some value into it. Okay. Now to clear the screen, function, that means to clear the previous output, and printf. I want to print this value. So to print the value, %d, comma, a, get ch to hold the screen and curly bracket close. You might be wondering, I have not written hash include into it, but if I'll save this file as temp.c. Okay, so now we can run this program. So there are no errors, and if I'll run, there will be answer as 20. Now we need to declare a pointer. So to declare a pointer, I'll declare integer pointer as pointer is represented with the help of star. Okay. Uh, uh, Before your variable name, you need to put a star. That means that is representing a pointer. And what is the pointer? Pointer can store address of another variable. Okay, so I'll give name it as PTR. Not necessary name should be PTR. You can give any name as per variable declaration rules. But here to identify, I have written PTR. Okay. Now what I want to store the address PTR equal to address of A, because PTR is having a capability to store address of A variable. Many times we need to find out the address of variables in memory location, so we need to declare some pointers. Now we will print that also. Printf. See, you can print these things into single printf also, but still I am taking another printf function to understand. So I'll print value of PTR also. I have written format specifier as P just because to print the address, because PTR contains address of a variable. Now I will run it. Okay, so it is just because we have not given /n. So first answer is 20 and another triple F4 answer is address. So just I need to give here /n after %d, so I can see two different outputs, right? Now this was simple pointer where I have stored the address. Now if I want to print directly value which is stored into A with the help of PTR, with the help of pointer, because what pointer is doing? Pointer is pointing to the memory location of A. So if pointer can point to the memory location of A, that means it can access information which is stored into the A. So to access that information, here I need to again change it to D because I want to print a value from a variable with the help of PTR. So by giving star PTR, I can access the value which is stored into a variable. Yes, so it will give me the answer as 20 because value is stored into a variable is 20. Right. Now, this was a simple pointer. Have you understood this? If not, please go back to the starting from the video and once again see, or I'll repeat once again. Pointer can store the address of another variable, and here in this example we have stored address of a variable into PTR. So simply writing PTR, that means right now this PTR is one variable and which can store address of another variable. Okay, and by providing star, it can access the value which is stored into A. So there are two different things. To access address, you just have to write only PTR, and to access value stored in the variable, you need to write star before the variable. Okay. Now one more concept in C programming is pointer to pointer. Okay. So how to declare that? It is in the same way of pointer declaration. That means pointer to pointer. That means two pointers and ptr2. I'll write ptr2. Okay, just to differentiate between variables. Okay, so this is called as pointer to pointer. So what is this? What is pointer to pointer? See, from first, A can store any value, ptr can store address of a variable, and ptr2 can store address of ptr. Okay, so that's why it is called as pointer to pointer. Now this thing also I will print here. Printf percent. First we will print address, so %p, comma ptr2, and here I need to provide /n because I have printed third line. Okay, so it is giving me something, some kind of output, so it is printing some address, right? Now what I want to print with the information which is stored into A. So what is the link? A contains value 20, PTR contains address of A, and PTR2 contains address of PTR. So in the same way I can get connected with the A variable because PTR2 is having address of PTR and address of PTR. Inside the PTR we have address of A, and then we can find out value of A. As here we have printed star PTR, we just have to make little change here, %d, and here you need to put 2 stars, PTR2. Now we will check what will happen. Why this is so? Yes, we have not assigned a value, sorry. PTR2 equal to what we need to store, and % of PTR. That means we are storing address of PTR into PTR2. So once again I will print the address. So here is the correct address, FFF2. Okay, and the address which is showing in the output is address of PTR, right? Don't get confused. Now I want to print the value which is stored into a variable with the help of PTR2. So what I need to just put double star. With the help of double star I can access address stored into PTR, and with the help of that address I can access a variable and I can access value stored into a variable. So we will check if it is giving correct output. Right, it is giving us correct output. So this is called as pointer to pointer concept. If not understood, once again go back and listen the video carefully. Thank you.